In this quick video, I'll show you 3 websites that can help you earn money while you're going through this trying moment. I understand that everyone is locked up at home or even in self-quarantine right now, but one thing is certain, you want to make money. Don't skip any part of this video because I'm convinced that it'll be extremely beneficial to you. After seeing this video, you can get paid right away. This is how I'm gonna teach you, and it's absolutely free. You don't have to pay anything to do this, and it's open to everybody on the planet. Anyone from any country can use this method to earn money online and start their day. So here's what you'll learn in this video. First, I'll show you 3 websites and a special way for signing up for a free and international account, so don't miss out on this, especially if you're coming from outside the United States. Second, I'll show you how to earn $200 to $5,000 easily just by browsing the internet with your phone or computer. And third, I'll teach you how to create several streams of passive income and earn your first $100 after watching this video. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. Now, out of the 3 websites that you can use today, this is the one that I'll first show you. The first website pays you just for spending time on a website such as YouTube, Amazon, Facebook, Twitter, and many more. Because I know that right now, a lot of you have time and are staying home, perhaps with some you're bored and with nothing else to do. Why not earn money completely on autopilot by downloading UpVoice? So, what is UpVoice? Well, UpVoice is a Google Chrome plugin that you may download on your PC or your phone. Allow me to demonstrate how this works. So first, to sign up for this website, you must have a Gmail account. All you have to do is click the Proceed and Sign Up button. You'll be able to sign up for a free global account once you click on it. After you sign up, you'll be directed to a short qualification form where you'll enter your name and email address, and then you'll be invited to install the Guidance Chrome extension once you've been qualified. Don't worry, this is completely safe and will have no effect on your computer or browser. Once you've installed the UpVoice Chrome extension, you'll be able to visit their participating websites on a regular basis and collect daily tokens that can be redeemed for a variety of electronic gift cards, including cryptocurrencies, PayPal, Payoneer, Payeer, and Skrill, among other options. If you've been seeing any of these websites such as Facebook or Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, or Amazon, please let me know, since you've been leaving a lot of money on the table because you already know how you may make money while visiting and using these websites. Now, the second website I'll show you today is called Brave, and it's where you can make money online without doing any extra effort. This is very similar to Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. This is a private browser that allows you to browse and search the internet anonymously. By just browsing and supporting your favorite content providers, you can earn rewards. They're similar to Google Chrome, except you can get paid for using them, and they're genuinely legit, with 4.2 stars out of hundreds of thousands of evaluations. There are a lot of people who are making money faster and faster right now, and they're willing to pay you money just for searching with a Brave private browser. It's quick, safe, and you can earn money simply for looking for something on our website. So go ahead and download the app on Google Play, App Store, or your PC right now. Okay, so the third website that you can actually make money from by simply using social media to browse on the internet is called QMe. Now, on this website, you get paid real cash. You can actually get money right now. You can earn when you search online, and they pay you money by simply doing daily searching. I'll show you some examples later in this video, but basically, when you browse on Google, Amazon, or other websites, they pay you money. And of course, this website and application are all available on the App Store and Google Play Store as well. And as you can see here, QMe is a free browser and mobile application that allows you to earn real cash rewards by sharing your opinion and engaging with your favorite brands. In addition to searching for something, you can also participate in their surveys. They provide you surveys that pay a lot of money, which I'll show you in a minute, but once you've made the money, they'll show you your entire balance on your account, like this illustration. You can withdraw your money using Amazon gift cards, Starbucks, iTunes, or even PayPal. And you can actually click on the service and do something on your phone if you have some spare time. And believe me when I say that now is the time to really take advantage of your free time, and here's the first trick that I'm gonna give you. Now, make sure you log in within the first 3 days, since they will show you a much higher paid job or service that you should undertake if you do so. If you don't want to perform the surveys and instead want to generate money on autopilot, all you have to do is search on Google. Now, I know you've been using Google for quite some time. You've been looking for anything on the internet. For example, if you enter in the keyword trendy ladies jacket, you'll find this bar on the left side. Now, once you've downloaded the QMe extension, you'll see a bar on the left, because without it, you'd see something similar to this, which is the standard search page. These links will appear on the left-hand side of your browser after you download the QMe extension. You can now earn money every time you click on the link. Now, the money they pay you isn't much, but you can do this as often as you like. You have your phone, you have a computer, and you can just search for whatever keywords you want and click on the links on the left-hand side to make money over and over again. Remember, you can make money without doing any work or taking any surveys, and they are entirely free. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. Now, in order to register for a QMe account, you must be a resident of the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, or Australia. If you're from one of these nations, you can just enter your email address and register, but if you're from somewhere else, don't worry, you can still go to Winscribe. This is a completely free VPN service that you can install on your PC or mobile device. Now, once you've downloaded them, you can choose whatever country you want to sign up for. For example, I'm coming from the United States, and then you can return to these applications and sign up. You can actually go around them and have them unblock your prohibited content. Also, go to Winscribe right now because they offer a free membership, and all you have to do is go to Winscribe, use their free service to gain access to nations such as the United States, Canada, and others. After you've downloaded it, go back to the website and register for a free worldwide account by selecting United States. You can use this method to a lot of different websites, so you can actually make even more money. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.